Good morning, ladybugs. Thanks for coming back to my channel, and today I'm going to do the quick flip through of the Pumpkin Pretties digikit that is now up in my coffee shop. I don't sell on Etsy anymore. Here we go. We got some charms on there. We have a sari silk closure. So that's how I do it. I just go like so, and then I tuck the ends in like so. I mean, if you want to tie a little knot, that's also fine. So here we have, she's the usual shabby chic style. We have some charms there, and this is the most beautiful embroidered lace or trimming from Portugal. So we have that one there. Let's do this. We have a nice big pocket here, and we have one of my handkerchiefs. There's a tutorial on this, a very quick one, because it is just so easy to do. And let's move that up here so you can see what I'm doing. This is a little journal in here. I'm not going to open it. Just a journal card with some stickers. And as you can see, it's fabric covered. That's my favorite type of journal. Coffee dyed paper. This is just an envelope, a nice big envelope. I use them a lot in my journals, my personal journals, I mean. So, yeah. And this, there's a tutorial on this using the stationery repel paper with loads of stickers. And it includes a little pocket here as well. Then we have some baking paper. You know, we just love the sound of that. Various papers. That pocket, which is also on the tutorial, made with washi tape. This is just paper, vintage paper. This is also very old paper. I don't know how old though. Some more of that. There's a nice big pocket here. We have Edith Holden. Edith Holden? Yeah. And there's the paper. Beautiful lace pocket. And let's go. I just tore that edge there. Why not? And another pocket here with some stickers. Lots of coffee dyed. Lots of places to journal. Some journal cards. And we have a lovely, beautiful envelope. This, unfortunately, I didn't do a tutorial on this. But I made an envelope from the kit. You know, I like to do that. And it's just got some journaling paper in there. So I really love this. I love doing these envelopes in the journals. That should actually go on the outside, yeah, not that way, this way. There we go. We have another tuck spot here. You can see I haven't filled this a lot. We have this gorgeous chiffon ruffles. Lots of charms in this one. Vintage paper from the 1940s. Inked with using an ink pen. I remember using ink pens. And this is one of my fabric. It was in my stash. One of my fabric tags. There is a tutorial. Is there? I can't remember. I've got so many, guys. So many. Center page, which was just too beautiful. And as you can see. And here we have some more journaling paper, wax seal, that beautiful vintage paper, so writing can still be done on here. And look at this gorgeous lace, and this is like a bookmark, and this has got mixed media on it. It's cream paste I used, stenciled on, and then, you know, some stickers and gold. You bring it really close because it's not that easy to see. That's the mixed media there. And it's got some stickles on there as well. Here's an extra little pumpkin to play with. Cut out from the kit. We have extra padding here. Extra padding. Look at this, it does have a stain on it, but this is also a vintage doily, and it forms a little pocket, so whatever you put in will be seen in here. Little pearls, more writing space, tags, stickers. Hope I'm not flipping through too quickly, but I just thought I would do the pumpkins in blue because I love blue. And here's another envelope, and in here it's got little pieces of fabric and stuff that can be used throughout the journal when it comes to actually journaling in it. Let me just show you that it's made from a doily. Let me just get rid of this bit of string from the glue gun. And here we have paper, different paper. This is that pocket with another wax stamp there. I really like this page as well. We got 2 big tags in here, and I cut this out also from the kit. More stickers there, and we have this, which can be used to make a, say, like a tuck spot, so you can put something in there. Let's put that here. And then we have the back of that, so this is also a little pocket, and in here I've included more pumpkins that can be used, well, anywhere you want, isn't it? There we go. And then we have a big tag, and just some more tags in here. Paper, and the last one, look at this beautiful, this is paper, by the way. It looks like lace, but it's actually paper. And some more tags, and just some ephemera. Isn't she gorgeous? To write on, and there's lots of room. Normally I stuff mine, but I'm trying not to stuff my journals anymore. And just a little ephemera here as well to write on. But you can see loads of room, and with this beautiful Portuguese lace, it's just lovely. And there we go. This is my Pumpkin Pretties flip through of my journal. I hope you enjoyed it. The will be available, the kit, the DigiKit will be available in my coffee shop. So I really hope you like it. Thanks guys, bye bye.